So you've purchased a domain through Hostinger and want to connect it to your Shopify store. Well, you're in luck because I'm here to walk you through the entire process step by step. So if you're ready, let's get started. Sign into your Shopify account. Go to Settings in your Shopify dashboard, located at the bottom left corner. Select Domains. Click on Connect Existing Domain. Enter your Hostinger domain name and click Next. This page will open. Now log into your Hostinger account. Click on Domains in your Hostinger dashboard. Next to your domain, click the Manage button. Go to the DNS tab where all your DNS records will be displayed. If you've previously connected the domain to another host, ensure that you remove the A and C name records associated with that host. Here, select the type as A record. For the host, type @. For the value, use this IP address. Leave TTL on default and click on Add Record. Now select the type as CNAME record. For the host, type www. For the value, type shops.myshopify.com. Leave TTL on default and click on Add Record. Return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Be patient as this process may take some time. After a few hours, click Verify Connection again. Once verified, click on your domain name. Select Change Domain Type. Choose Primary Domain and confirm the change. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Hostinger domain to Shopify. Your Shopify store now has a custom web address. If you encounter any issues during the process, please get in touch with me for assistance. If you need any help related to Shopify, you can hire a Shopify expert now. The link is in the description below this video. Please comment below with your opinion, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to boost your online knowledge.